Good morning and welcome to another beautiful day in paradise. Seems like we're going to have a little rain today, but we can manage as long as just a little. I think it's time to have a coffee. Morning coffee and some breakfast. Look, a result of that. This is how much sand she put on the property. We really need to do something about this property. As you can see, it is a lot of sand. The boys, they are doing what they can to make this area nice and green. Today they got a couple of bananas. Hopefully we are going to have lots and lots of fruits and vegetables on this property. Our challenge is the sand. It is not much humus in the sand, so it is difficult to let things grow. Cocoa palms have no problem to grow here at all, as you can see. The bananas, in the other hand, they are struggling. They grow slowly. They don't give any fruit yet. But we continue to plant them. When they die, we chop them up and we use them as compost. So slowly we build up this area. And hopefully, in a few years, we will have this beautiful garden we wish, full of fruit and vegetables. Well, at the end, I want to thank you all for watching and for your support. For those who are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. And hit this notification bell so you get a notification next time I post a video. And one more thing, please share so more can watch. So until next time, have a wonderful time.